Hey you guys, welcome to my page. Today's video will be on my husband's hair. We'll be doing a wash and retwist. Just wait and see. The shampoo that we're using today is Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special Color. I love using this shampoo because it is moisturizing, but yet it does clear up dandruff from off the scalp, which my husband does have. And right now I'm just warming up the water just to make sure. And okay, we're about to apply the shampoo in a few seconds. Scrub it up, dub dub. And the one thing about dreads, you have to make sure you really get in there. You have to make sure the shampoo really penetrates throughout the dreads, like every single little dread. Like you have to start scrubbing and then rub through the dread, scrub, then rub through the dread, just to make sure you really cleansing that dread. Just don't put on shampoo and rub a little here, rub a little there and think that's it. No, you gotta get in there. You're trying to get everything out that you do not want in there. Okay? Now I'm about to rinse out all the shampoo and I'm about to apply a second shampoo in just to make sure I got everything out that I didn't get out the first time. Now that the shampoo is all done, rinsing out, and I'm about to apply the Paul Mitchell conditioner for special color. And these products you can only purchase if you're just a professional, like you have to have a license to get this. They sell it on Amazon, but sometimes you don't get the product that you really want. It'd be like some other conjunction that they done mixed up, put a label on, and be like, all right, give me my money. And no, you need to find a professional. You can go to your professional hairstylist, or you can just contact them right now, especially since everybody is in quarantine, and see if they can get it for you, and then you can just pay them money for it. Look how clean his hair is after I just got finished shampoo and conditioning it. Now it's time to retwist. The product that I'm using is by Influance. I love, love, love Influance. It's natural products, Trust and Lock Gel. I use a little bit, but I only use the gel on him because he really like it to be extra smooth and have like a great hold. But the product is very light, it smells good, and it can hold your hair for a while, especially if you have it in a style. Like, it looks so good and smooth. It does not collect buildup in your hair while you're doing the dreads, because I know a lot of gels can like cause a lot of buildup, and people definitely hate that because I hate it too. And now I'm just separating just to get, everything together since it's been a little while since we retwist. And okay, I'm starting to comb it at the root. Then I'm palm twist it down, twist the extra hairs around on the lock just to make sure everything's smooth in transition, and then clip. I totally forgot to record him sitting in the dryer, but this next clip is him basically getting the clips taken out of his head after he sat under the dryer for about, I would say, 25 to 30 minutes. It's possible it's 30 minutes because his hair is pretty thick.